Hello everyone, Volker here from MSO-dlx, Microsoft Office Deluxe. Let's continue talking about special charts. This time about a pie with donut rings. We'll get a practice sheet. On this practice sheet you have a fully blown formatted pie with donut rings along with its data. If you want to create some, you just click on it. Shall the shading become lighter to the outside? That's the default, or darker. And here you have a pretty good base to brush up like I've done in this chart here. A word to the data table. The core, the pie, the innermost, is the first column. The continents, with the sum of the data of the countries, the next outer ring. And so it's a strictly hierarchical model with sums built on the outer parts. So we have North America. For North America, US and Canada. For US we have New York City, East Coast excluding New York City, West, Central and Southern states. For Europe we have Germany, France, Italy and so on, and in Germany we have the corona rates for Berlin, Northern and Southern Germany. The main part of this macro is basically the coloring, and you may recolor existing charts by control clicking. Control click to just recolor a pie. This time I'll have darker shading to the outside. You see now it's darker. Down here I've left some practice charts or test charts where I've tested the shading if you have way more series. Just for your curiosity. I hope you like it, and it gives you some ideas how to portray your data if you have hierarchical data. Other episodes on the other functions. So long, Volker from MSO-dlx.